All right. Happy Friday. I hope you had a great week. Today we're going to wrap it up. We do not have much left in the story. We are at the 1603 mark. Curious how many people yesterday just ended at 1603, or how many people figured I got to see how this ends up and heard the last 2 minutes of the story. I bet a fair amount of people went on to the end. So take a look at the picture. This is the actual mountain, the Isla Cihuatl. This is a picture of the actual mountain, and here is the princess there, Isla Cihuatl, and they say that's why they call that mountain there the White Woman. It's meant to look like her laying down. Do you see that? And then the other one with the smoking peak, the volcano that erupts now and again, is the Popocatépetl. Anyway, so we'll read the end of the story today and find out why those two mountains are called each of those things in the story. So we're going to read on to the end and listen to the end. You've got two questions left, 14 and 15. So head on down to where it says to start reading on Friday and finish up the story. There's the actual mountain, Popocatépetl, erupting. When you finish up, remember you're going to be turning it in. You've got your week 2 assignment. Here you're going to turn that in on the Canvas assignment after you've finished all the questions. Just hit submit like last week, turn that in. Remember, we're looking what does this legend tell us about Aztec values? So the way that Ista loved Popo, the way that Popo loves Ista, what does that tell us about, first off, we've got a little Aztec justice. What's it tell us about Aztec justice? How Aztecs believed in honoring someone. Is Popo freaking out and screaming and yelling, or is he kind of quiet? How is a proper Aztec person supposed to mourn and grieve and so on? So finish up the story. Next week, we're going to be sticking with this same Popo and Ista story, but going into detail about those elements of a legend. So we're just going to finish up today understanding what happened in the story. Next week, take some time to analyze cause and effect, things that could have really happened in history, and the values of the Aztecs. Okay. Oh, last thing. I want everybody to send me a message. Could be very brief, but just send a message letting me know how things are going. How was the pacing this week? First, did you like the story? Did you think it was a good one? And did this week feel better with the amount of questions and the time you had to do it? Was it too slow? Was it still too much? Anyway, let me know how it's going. I hope you're doing great, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great weekend, and we'll get going on Monday. Bye-bye.